It is finally finished. It's finally complete. We got everything fixed on Tangerine, and today we are going to take her out for a little bit of fun. We're going to take it slow, not do a whole lot of bashing, but just, you know, to get her prepped for the bigger sessions. We just want to see how she holds up. Let's get it. Alright, so there you go. We had a little bashing session with Tangerine, our auction acquired Traxxas Stampede. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. We're going to do a whole lot more bashing with this girl right here. And I'd appreciate your support. Go ahead and click that like button. Until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.